Stop sitting around doing nothing. Protect these rivers and secure the future for future generations. My name is Feargal Sharkey. Some of you may have listened to some of my records in the past. I'm now the former chairman of the Amwell Magna Fishery on the banks of the River Lee, where for the last 183 years, 60 members of this club, like myself, have been doing everything we can to protect what you can see behind me. There has been a rather large political indifference to our rivers and to the environment. There's been 30 years of regulatory failure, in my opinion, and 30 years of water companies disregarding, in my opinion, their legal obligations, filling our rivers full of sewage. We are now in a situation where between farming, agriculture, the water industry, at this very moment, just 16% of rivers in England are in good ecological condition, and unless we do something to turn this, by 2027, just 4 years away, only 6% of rivers in England will meet good ecological status. This river in particular is significant. This was the same river fished by Isaac Walton 500 years ago, the complete angler. I guess for me, the final sentence of that book develops and highlights the tranquility and the peace that it can bring, where Isaac ended that book while standing in the banks of this very river with those immortal words, "Should you find yourself on the banks of a river, study to be quiet